The preacher said God would never give more than I could handle on my own. But I don't know if I believe that too.
I'm going to melt down these candles that I've gotten from the Dollar Tree. I got 4 of them and they are lavender, in a lavender color. Then I've gotten some wax melts, and these are also in lavender, and it smells so good. This is in, let me see what scent this in and bright my light. Scented wax melt, and these are in a lavender fills. Y'all, it smells so good too. It smells so good. Lavender fills. So of course you know that these candles are not scented. So I'm going to melt them down in the oven. Maybe 3 will do. So I think I'm going to use 3 instead of 4. Then again, I just may go ahead and use 4 because I'm not sure how many I used last time. I think I've gotten like 5 and only used 3.5. So of course they are not going to be full like this. When melted down, it's going to be sort of halfway. And then I ordered some wicks from Amazon, and these are called wooden wicks. So I've gotten like 100 pieces of the wooden wicks. Okay, that's what they look like. Okay, these supposed to flicker and crackle. Okay, and these are the metal pieces that you stick it into. I'll show y'all at the end. Okay, instead of me buying candles, I think I'm going to start making them. I may have some, I may buy a few, but I'm going to mainly make them myself. Now I'm not no professional, y'all, and I'm not using any flammable items, probably oils and candle melts, wax melts for the scents, okay? Because few other women, they was confused and thought I was using flammable perfumes, which that's something I would never do. Okay, I think they were confused. So just to get that straight, these are wax melts. Okay, they are not flammable candles from the Dollar Tree, and that's what I'm going to use. So let's remove the plastic off of these candles. They are easy to peel off.
Been sometimes when I've been all alone and wanted to give up, but you helped me stand. Yeah, God, He used you, shined right through you in ways you will never know, so many ways that you'll never know. Mountain mover, bulletproof, yeah. You made me stronger. You had a faith that I'll never know. No, you had a faith that I'll never know.
And I removed the top rack. Okay, and instead of super glue, I'm going to use my hot glue gun. I had bought another hot glue gun. Let me show you. I bought this from Home Depot. It did come with 3 glue sticks. And this is the package here.
God, he used you.
Only thing that I thought that it was okay, but you have to buy the battery pack. And I didn't know I had to buy the battery pack separate. So I can't use this right now until I get the battery pack. So I'll just use my old glue gun. How disappointing. So okay, I'm going to get my, I think I'm going to put about maybe 3 instead of, yeah, I'm going to put 3. I thought about doing 4, but 3 will do. Okay, this part, you're going to slide the wooden piece. Just going to stick it in there instead of sliding it on there.
Mountain mover, bulletproof, yeah. You made me stronger. You had a faith that I'll never know. You had a faith that I'll never know. No, you had a faith that I'll never. Faith that'll never know. No, you had a faith that'll never know. The preacher said God would never give more than I could handle on my own, but I don't know if I believe that to be true. 'Cause there've been some times.
Now I'm going to put the hot glue here.
Yeah. God, he used you, shined right through you in ways you will never know. So many ways that you'll never know. Mountain mover, bulletproof, yeah. You made me stronger. You had a faith that I'll never know. No, you had a faith that I'll never know. You prayed away rainy days, even kept a smile if they stayed. 'Cause either way, you stood on the rock and not on the sand.
That's what it looks like. Okay, now I'm just going to wait until the candle wax melt. And I should just go ahead and add this in the candle while it's melting. We'll see. We will see. Let's see. So y'all, this is what it looks like. It's melting. It is melting. My candles has melted down, and I am going to add the wax melt to at least one of them. these. And I'm going to let this melt down in it, and I'll be back. I'm going to let it cool a little also before I pour. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove the wick out of the candles. See the metal piece still at the bottom, so I'm not going to worry about that. So let it cool a little bit and I will be back. Okay, I did lower my light a little bit so that you can see as I pour. Okay, I think the lighting was too bright. So these are the two candles that I've added the wax melt to. Okay, these two right here. So let me start with these two. Still kind of warm. So I am going to pour.
You had a faith that I'll never know. No, you had a faith that I'll never know. You prayed away rainy day.
Yeah, I do keep the jars just in case I have another project to do.
And sweet memories of all the little things you did to show me love, and you held me stand. Yeah, God, He used you, shined right through you in ways you will never know. So many ways that you'll never know.
All right, that metal piece did fall in there. That's okay, it'll be at the bottom.
Yeah, you had a faith that I'll never know. Kings will rise and fall, bending for the fame. And seasons come and go, and time will bring some.
Should I add one more jar? Then again, no, I'm just gonna let it sit.
Remain the same. Yeah. No, you'll never change.
So this is 4 jars, y'all.
God, He used you, shine right through you in ways you.
So I only gotten 4 jars, so this is how much I've gotten. I could have used one more, but I'm going to leave it as is. And when it solidifies, when it becomes solid, I am going to cut down the wick. So I think this is good for now. Stay tuned. Okay, everybody. It has become solid. I'm going to cut the wick down and then I am going to light it. Okay, I had to turn my light down in order for y'all to see this clearly. Let me get my shears here and cut down the wick. I think I cut it down to to here. Now I'm going to light it. This wick's supposed to crackle too, y'all. It's supposed to. All right now. It's supposed to light. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, I think it's supposed to at least touch the wax, I believe. Ooh, this lighter's hot. Y'all, this light is hot. I can't light it like I want to.
Seasons come and go, and time will bring some pain.
I think it's supposed to go down to the wax in order for it to burn properly. You know, it's crackling. Y'all see that? I wish I had my other lighter, but my nephews, they didn't give it back because they was out shooting fireworks. They did not give me my lighter back. It's crackling a little, y'all. Do y'all hear the crackling? All right, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all my candle making, the DIY candle making using the wooden wicks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have not subscribed, please consider on doing so and hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss out on any of my videos. Y'all come back because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Away rainy days, even kept a smile if they stayed.